Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, back here at the boneyard, the one close to the house with all the wood scraps. Taking a look at some things, seeing what we're gonna build some nesting boxes for the chickens with. Plan on using this stuff. That way it doesn't cost anything. I got a couple of scrap 2x4s and stuff here I can make for the legs. Use a lot of this old milled burnt siding for the sides, and use some of the old metal there for the roof. I got some hinges too to be able to make a door. What are you doing over there, Domino? You got Coco the yard goat over there doing her thing. I'm actually going to let all of the goats out today and let them get some of this green grass that's growing here on the mountain right now. It's a little chilly today. One day it'll feel like spring is here, and the next day it gets a little chilly. But we do got grass. Look at all that grass. So I'm gonna let them out, go ahead and eat that. Everywhere that the goats has been, grass is starting to come up. I'm gonna call and check on Uber tomorrow and see where they're at with that. They've had it for a couple of days now. They should have at least got it in there at this point to take a look at it. I'll be back. Domino, what are you doing? What are you doing? You ready, ain't you? Midnight. Coming to see your buddy? Coco hangs out with me now, guys. Coco likes following the pack. Oh, we go over here and check on them this morning. It's still pretty early. I hear you, Chanel. Y'all want to go get some groceries? Y'all want some fresh greens today? I know. Are you excited today, buddy? Come on. Come on, we're going on a field trip. We're going on a field trip today, guys. I'm gonna let y'all run around a little bit today. Hold on. Look at them playing. Y'all wanna go on a field trip? Oh. Tripped over the wire. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. On here. Come on, little guys. Come on, little guys. Mama said, let's go. Look at them. They're like, what's going on here? Why is there a hole in the fence? Good morning. Yeah, it's not on right now. Baby goats are so cool. Y'all over here at the deadest stuff. Y'all over here where it's all dead. There's a lot of green groceries out there, guys. Coco, show them where the good stuff is. I see you, Chief. The baby goats are doing great. Uh-oh, the little one done came out. I think Chief's wanting to make more babies. It's the good thing about goats. They are four-legged bush hogs. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, everybody's leaving. Let's go, buddy. Come on, let's get you out here with everybody else. Now with the babies out, I won't be leaving them alone. I'll be out in the yard with them till the babies get used to everything. You done came through the fence. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, there's a whole lot of life on the mountain. Let's go check on the baby rabbits. It's my morning routine. Come out here and hang out with the animals and check on everybody, make sure they're all good, give them their breakfast. Y'all over here, that the rabbit done dropped, huh? All this green grass out here and all y'all worried about are the pellets. Good morning, Mama. Good morning. Let's check on the babies. Let's check on the babies. Oh, they're getting big, guys. They're getting big. Don't worry, Mama. I ain't gonna mess with them. I'm gonna give them a couple more days before I mess with them. You're being a good mama. There they are. Look at there, guys. A whole bunch of them. Put the fur back on them. Oh, we got some more up front here. You put y'all in there. I'm gonna have to touch these because they are up here by themselves and they'll get cold. They're all the way up here. Come on, guys. Whoa. Whoa, little man. There we go. There we go. Got them all back together. It's a little chilly out. I want them to stick together so they'll stay warm. What is it, Chief? What is it, dude? Chief, you're getting separated this week, man. Yeah, getting separated. How about it, Domino? What is it, midnight? The babies are just over here in the pen playing. They're like, my groceries walks around. Mama's calling them. Mama's checking in on them. There goes one. I think the baby here's scared. So, come here. Have to go get female. She ain't figured out she can make it through the fence yet. Well, the goats are happy this morning. Why are y'all running back in here? I'm not giving y'all no food. I'm letting y'all eat some good groceries. They're fast. There you go. There you go. All right. Y'all come out here and get some fresh groceries this morning. What are you doing? You trying to eat the grass? Look at you. Look at you trying to be all big and eat regular food. It's an active mountain this morning, guys. Active mountain. Got goats playing. Got Domino and Midnight over there supervising. Rabbits are good. Chickens are good. Oh, Coco's trying to take them over there to the green stuff. Show them where it's at, Coco. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this cuteness this morning. Goats playing, animals playing. I'm gonna get off here and give the chickens some morning breakfast and go give Eclipse some love and take her for a little walk. And yeah, hang out, get some stuff done. I'm gonna try to get started on those nesting boxes for the chickens today and get that knocked off my list. Tomorrow I'll be calling about Uber, kind of see where they're at with that, see how long it'll be before Uber makes it back to the mountain so I can start planting the goat fence. Mama letting them know we're moving. Look at the goats over there playing, guys. It's gonna be a good day, guys. I hope y'all had a great weekend. I hope y'all was able to get a little relaxing in, having a little fun, maybe hanging out with some families. Reach out to somebody you ain't talked to in a while. Give them a hello. Probably make their day. But always, guys, and I do mean always, keep it real. Come on.